Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the GALE News, Business and Reference e-resource off campus. On the Library Canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, you will find the GALE News, Business and Reference e-resource in Archives, eBooks and Journals. Once you're on either of these pages, just scroll down until you come across the GALE icon and then just click on that. Now on the GALE News, Business and Reference page, just click on the GALE logo to be taken to that e-resource. You should now find yourself on the GALE News, Business and Reference main page. On the middle of the screen, you will find the e-resources that will be available for you to access. Once you click on any of these resources, say for example Academic OneFile, you'll be asked to enter in your username and password. Just enter in your 8-digit user ID, followed by the password, and then click the login button.